2007 through 2013 Cadillac Escalade, Suburban, Tahoe, bumper removal. I got some damage here, so I'm going to go ahead and remove the bumper. The first thing we're going to start with is the inside of the wheel wells. Grab yourself a number 7. Start taking these off. That's done. You're gonna come here to the back, open up the hatch. You got 1, 2 push pins, 1, 2. You're gonna remove those, and then we're gonna go underneath. So let's remove all those now. Go to the next step. The next thing you're gonna do is open underneath here. You guys can see that. I took the screw out already. It's number 10. Take that off. Then you go to the other side. There's one more over there. Take that off, and then we'll show you how to pull the bumper off. Now that all the screws are removed, you're basically just gonna grab in here and pull. You got a light right here for your sensor. Sorry, let's see how we get that off there. Pushes in the bottom, pulls out. Gonna have to get a screwdriver for this. Get that out there.